Welcome to everyone in my channel. Today topic is Google guaranteed ads. Let's start. Google guaranteed ads are a comprehensive overview. Google guaranteed ads is a program offered by Google to enhance the credibility of local service providers. Launched as part of Google Local Services, this feature aims to build trust between businesses and consumers by providing a Google-backed guarantee for services. How it works. Verification process. Businesses interested in participating undergo a rigorous verification process including background checks and license confirmation. This ensures that only reputable service providers are part of the program. Google Guarantee Patch. Upon successful verification, businesses receive a Google Guarantee Patch. This badge is prominently displayed in the Google's My Business profiles and search results, signaling to potential customers that the business is reliable and trustworthy. Booking services. Consumers can book services directly through the Google platform and payments and protected by the Google guarantee. If customers are unsatisfied with the service, they can submit claims for a refund. Benefits for businesses. Increased trust. The Google Guarantee Patch helps businesses stand out in search results and inserts confidence in potential customers, leading to increased trust and credibility. Higher visibility. Participating businesses may receive professional placement in local search results, giving them a competitive edge over non-participating counterparts. Refund protection. The Google Guarantee provides customers with a sense of security knowing that their payments are protected. This can encourage more users to choose businesses with the Google Guaranteed badge. Benefits for consumers. Quality assurance. The straightened verification process and Google's backing of consumers assurance that they are hiring reliable and reputable service providers. Easy booking. With the ability to book services directly through Google, users experience a seamless and convenient process, reducing the friction associated with finding and hiring local services. Refund option. In case of dissatisfaction with the service, consumers have the option to submit claims for a refund, adding an extra layer of protection to their transactions. Challenges and criticism. Exclusivity. Some businesses may find the strict requirements for participation challenges, potentially limiting the inclusivity of the program. Competition. While the Google Guarantee Badge provides competitive advantages, business must still compete on various factors such as service, quality, and pricing. Algorithm changes. Businesses should stay aware of potential changes in Google's algorithms and policies that may impact their visibility and participation in the program. Conclusion. Google Guarantee ads play a significant role in fostering trust between consumers and local service providers. While it offers valuable benefits, businesses should carefully weigh the program's requirements against the advantages it provides. As the digital landscape evolves, staying informed about changes in Google's policies and algorithms remains crucial for businesses leveraging this program.